I think 7 feet deep. I've never been here before, folks. Owned this property for 10 years. It's so big, you don't get to see much, but I'd like to share it with you and invite you to come and camp out. Especially when she's hot in August and July, 36. That water is probably 5? I don't know, it's from the Alpine Lakes. Okay, I'm going around now, pan shot. Janice is going to edit this for us. My commentary is actually AI might do it. Oh, look at, see the pools, eh? It's 4.5 kilometers we own. This is the center of the property, roughly. So both sides, and we have a road just up in there. It's a little bit lighter. Beautiful road. You can come walk just walk right in. I never did before. I like going through the low stuff sometimes. I'm older, you know. I wipe out. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Real kindness. I am 95. Okay, we're gonna move on up. Moving on up we go. Oh, isn't that lovely? Got a natural. I don't think I want to do a slide down it. And you could put a slide in, but I would never do that. Too natural. Look at that. Oh, is that? That's a slabs underneath too. Look at that. Oh, it's all slabs. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna redo this.